Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 10 divided by 1 over 5 multiplied by 2. Now we solve it. So according to the rules of PEMDAS, first we solve parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have one division and one multiplication. So according to the rule, we solve it from left to right, and left side we have division. So first we solve division, then multiplication. Now we solve at their division by the rules of KCF. K means keep first fraction, C means change division to multiplication, and F means flip the second fraction. So 10 over 1, keep and division change to multiplication and flip second fraction. So 5 over 1 multiply by 2. So the equation become 10 times 5 give us 15 multiplied by 2, and now 50 times 2 give us 100. So the final answer is 100. Thanks for watching.